to a new unboxing on Orico's 6-in-1 Type-C docking station. My name is Vincent from Maverick Gaming as we take a closer look at this interesting little dock. We slide open the box and we simply get the docking station neatly wrapped inside, alongside a user manual and thanks for choosing Orico leaflet. The build on this casing is astounding. I love the feel of the aluminium alloy, and the transparent half of the casing is incredibly well built. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. The dock is connected to a USB Type-C and comes with 3 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, an HDMI 4K input with support at 30Hz. Lastly, on the back we get a TF and SD memory card reader as well. Thanks for joining us on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like down below, share your thoughts with us in the comment section, and check out the description on where to buy it now. As for myself, I'm Vincent from Maverick Gaming. Stay tuned to the channel for more live streams, gameplays and more. As for now, we will see you in the next one.